Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, press Windows plus R and open Run. You don't need extra tools. First, run %temp%, then delete files. This clears user temp items quickly. Next, run temp and remove leftover installers and caches. You'll free space and reduce background clutter. Make sure to use an admin account when prompted, because some files need elevated permission. Once done, you'll see immediate space reclaimed and fewer startup delays. That's why we begin with these lightweight, high-impact actions. Continue by tackling system caches and index data. Run prefetch, open the folder and delete contents to speed app launches. It repopulates safely. Then type cleangr/sageset, 1, choose categories and run cleangr/sagerun, 1 to execute that preset. This clears restore points, temp files, and thumbnails thoroughly. Run WS reset, exe to reset Microsoft Store cache, and ipconfig/flushdons to refresh DNS. It fixes stale name resolution. These steps remove deeper junk and improve responsiveness, so proceed in order and monitor free space. Finish by trimming startup and verifying system integrity. Open Run and enter msconfig, then disable unnecessary startup programs to cut boot time. Apply and restart. If a file resists deletion, boot to safe mode and repeat the run deletions. Safe mode avoids locking services. If Windows behaves oddly after cleaning, run sfc/scano to repair system files. It searches and restores corrupted items. These final steps tidy the system and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.